emerging technologies that will change the world as we know it. Not all technology is created equal, and at Top Trending Spot, we have been on the lookout for the latest emerging technologies that will have the greatest potential impact for those implementing the technologies as solutions. Before we reveal these top 10 emerging technologies, make sure to like and subscribe, and hit the bell to get notification of our latest videos. Let's get to it. CompTIA's Computing Technology Industry Association Emerging Technology Community has identified the following technologies that have the most near-term business impact. Technologies such as 3D printing and drones have lost their spot on the list, as they are now moving towards mainstream and no longer classified as emerging. In 10th place, quantum computing. According to Wikipedia, quantum computing is the use of quantum phenomena such as superposition and entanglement to perform computation. Computers that perform quantum computations are known as quantum computers. It is the key behind the power of AI and to leveraging machine learning. Current computers store information in binary, 0 and 1 states, manipulating individual bits. However, quantum computers rely on quantum bits, also known as qubits. There are several ways to create a qubit. A popular method incorporates superconductivity to create and maintain a quantum state. The qubits must be kept very cold to continue to work with them error-free. In 9th place, natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of AI that enables computers to analyze and understand human language. It is a subfield of linguistics, computer science, and AI. It involves the reading and understanding of spoken or written language through a computer. Speech-to-text converts human language to a programming language, and text-to-speech converts a computer operation to audible response. Thus, through NLP, computers learn to manage and apply overall linguistic meaning to set text such as sentence or phrases. Some of the most common uses of natural language processing in our everyday lives includes email filters, smart assistants such as Siri or Amazon Alexa, Google search results, predictive text, language translation such as Google Translator, digital phone calls, data analysis, and text analysis. In the 8th spot, robotics. Robotics involves use of robots, design, operation, and construction. The main goal is to design intelligent machines to help and assist humans. There are 5 major fields of robotics. These include operator interface, mobility or locomotion, manipulators and effectors, programming, and lastly, sensing and perception. Robots are widely used in automobile manufacturing, performing repetitive yet simple tasks. They're also used in environments hazardous to humans, thus keeping them safe. Now, however, robotics is moving away from the industrial use to an area such as service delivery that can create change in both homes and businesses, physically and virtually. In the 7th spot, blockchain. The most common example of blockchain is Bitcoin. Blockchain derives its name from its structure. Individual records or blocks are linked together in a single list, called a chain. Most simply defined, blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger. It records digital assets, thus securing and managing transactions across the internet. These ledgers are invaluable for managing data and supply chain challenges. With the decentralized nature and cryptographic algorithm, it becomes immune to attack, making a blockchain unhackable or very close to impossible. Blockchain has become a potential revolutionary technology in a world where cybersecurity has become a main concern for personal, corporate, and national security. In the 6th spot, augmented reality, virtual reality, AR/VR. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be either completely different or quite similar to the real world. VR is used in a variety of fields, including entertainment and education. It simulates the vision, giving an immersive 3D experience to the user through a VR headset and eliminating any interaction with the real world. Augmented reality is different to VR as it uses technology to enhance the real world by using devices such as mobile phone or tablets. It can be used through the camera or location services or a combination of both. The user can thus see the input from the camera being modified on the screen. AR can take branding materials such as brochures and business cards to the next level by adding a virtual component. Studies have shown that people's interaction with a virtual person is influenced how they behaved and acted in the physical world, such as avoiding sitting on a chair they had just seen a virtual person sit on. Organizations are using mixed reality, a combination of VR and AR, AI and sensor technologies to enhance flexibility, efficiency, and productivity. In the 5th spot, biometrics. Biometrics are body measurements and calculations related to human characteristics. Through biometrics authentication, users can be identified and access can be controlled. Some of the top benefits are authentication, privacy or data discretion, data veracity, non-repudiation, and authorization or access control. Some examples of biometric identifiers are fingerprints, facial patterns, voice or even typing cadence. There are more advanced biometrics which include finger knuckle print verification, multispectral backhand, and even tongue print, which falls in the new head-based biometrics. Biometrics continues to play an important role in improving security and to allow for moving seamlessly through the digital world. In the fourth spot, serverless computing. Invented by Austin Collins back in 2015, serverless computing goes one step beyond cloud computing, changes the way business is completed, enabling the business to be smarter, faster, and reduce the operational costs at the same time. Abbreviated as FaaS, function as a service. Serverless computing enables organizations to build applications that scale in real time. It offers a consumption-based platform for applications to be deployed quickly and cost-effectively. The model, the cloud provider runs the server and dynamically manages the allocation of machine resources. Instead of pre-purchased units of capacity, pricing is based on the actual amount of resources consumed by an application. In third place, Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects, things, that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. Thus, IoT brings together connected devices that allow creation analytics of systems, providing insights and new business opportunities. Some examples of these include thermostats, cars, lights in household and commercial environments, security systems, vending machines, alarm clocks, and etc. IoT will potentially be used for finding a parking spot, linking an entertainment system, or even a fridge webcam to see if you have run out of milk. The IoT's journey is still very much in its infant stage. In the second spot, the highly debated 5G. Succeeding the 4G networks, most commonly used to connect mobile phones, is the fifth generation technology standard for cellular networks, which has started deployment back in 2019. It provides low latency, intelligent power consumption, network slicing, and high device density. It is expected to be 100 times faster than 4G, only made possible as they are built on super high frequency airwaves. These higher frequencies can transmit much more data than 4G. 5G is needed to make augmented reality, connected cars, and smart cities possible. Before we reveal our top spot, we want to make sure you don't miss out on upcoming trending videos, so like and subscribe to the channel and enable notifications by clicking on the bell. In the top spot is artificial intelligence. AI refers to programmed algorithms that automatically parse and apply knowledge. There are 7 branches to AI, which include machine learning, speech, robotics, expert systems, natural language processing, vision, and planning optimization. AI is leveraged in several ways, from chatbots to virtual assistants, taking on some data entry and repetitive tasks. Several processes, such as sales or customer service, through pre-built cloud-based AI services, is among the highly valued IT solutions for businesses. From security to sales applications within businesses of all sizes, AI is the largest force in emerging technology today. And there you have it, the top 10 emerging technologies of 2020 according to CompTIA. How would you rank these technologies? Leave a comment with your list. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.